Hello and welcome to this video. Go basically is known as an SQL Server utility statement. It is not actually a transact SQL statement. It is a command that is recognized by the SQL command and OSQL utilities, also recognized by the SQL Server Management Studio code editor. The go command can signal the end of a batch of transact SQL statements to the SQL Server utility. Go is not a SQL keyword. It is known as a batch separator used by client tools like SQL Server Management Studio, also known as SSMS. Is used by that tool to break the entire script up into batches. And by using the go command, it facilitates readability and execution of batches and scripts. When you're using the go command, it cannot occupy the same line of code as a transact SQL, but it can contain comments. Alright, so wherever you may have seen this before, where the go command has been used with transact SQL, is always on a separate line. So I've got a sample query here inside the editor. So you can see here I've used go here and also used go there. So the go basically is useful. It's recognized by the SQL Server Management Studio inside this editor and also by the SQL command tool. So the SQL Server utilities can interpret the go command as a signal that they should send the current batch of transact SQL statements to an instance of SQL Server. So the go command is very useful as a batch or script separator. So basically what it does, SQL Server Management Studio, which is this tool here, can use it to break scripts into batches. And you cannot have a transact SQL statement on the same line as a go command, or you can have a comment, okay, but you cannot have a transact SQL on the same line. The go command should occupy a line by itself. So this is just a simple query that includes a substring function and a convert function. The go just makes it more readable. If I execute the query, you can see it will run successfully. By using the go here, you can see the query is more readable and makes it easier to understand. So the key thing to take away here is that the go command is not a transact SQL statement. It's basically used to facilitate readability and execution of batches and scripts.